2019, 2021. So we're here going to Flushing Mall, the Target Mall, the rail Flushing area. Walking, sit, chill, while. Be!
Nag-record na.
Okay. Michelle. See, that's Michelle. We're crossing the street. Crossing. Stop right here. Oh, that's from there.
Kung mag-video ka, be, ayaw ipokus sa tao kay masuko din.
Yeah. Target Mall. See?
Oh my God, the train is stuck.
Yeah. Here we go. Shopping konti. Wala naman i-shopping, wala pera. Window shop lang. Pwede naman, di ba? Wala naman bawal dun. Window shop lang muna, mga kapatid.